Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the planets of our solar system? Beyond Neptune, beyond Pluto, even beyond the mysterious Kuiper Belt, there exists an enormous region so distant and so mysterious that no spacecraft has ever reached it. Scientists call it the Oort Cloud, a gigantic shell of icy objects that surrounds our entire solar system like a frozen cosmic bubble. It is believed to be the birthplace of many comets that occasionally light up our night sky. Although no human has ever seen it directly, astronomers are convinced that it exists because of the strange journeys of long-period comets. Today, we're traveling to one of the most mysterious places in the universe, the very edge of our solar system. The Oort Cloud is not a planet, nor is it a cloud made of gas. Instead, it is thought to be a vast collection of trillions, or perhaps even billions of trillions of icy objects made from frozen water, methane, ammonia, and other ancient materials left over from the formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Imagine a gigantic sphere completely surrounding the sun in every direction. Unlike the flat disk where the planets orbit, the Oort Cloud forms a nearly spherical shell. If you could somehow stand far beyond Pluto and look back, you would find that the solar system is wrapped inside this enormous icy cocoon, stretching almost halfway to the nearest star. To understand just how enormous the Oort Cloud is, let's compare distances. Earth is about 100 million kilometers from the Sun, a distance astronomers call 1 astronomical unit, or 1 AU. Neptune, the farthest major planet, orbits about 30 AU from the Sun. Pluto averages around 39 AU. The Kuiper Belt extends roughly to 50 AU. But the Oort Cloud begins around 2,000 AU from the Sun and may extend as far as 100,000 AU, or nearly 1.5 light-years away. That means sunlight, which takes only 8 minutes to reach Earth, would need more than a year to reach the outer edge of the Oort Cloud. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is only about 4 light-years away, meaning the Oort Cloud stretches almost halfway to another star. So where did this incredible structure come from? Scientists believe the Oort Cloud formed during the chaotic birth of the solar system. Around 4.6 billion years ago, the giant planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were still moving through a disk of dust, gas, and icy debris. Their immense gravity acted like giant slingshots, flinging countless icy objects outward at tremendous speeds. Some of these objects escaped the solar system forever, while others slowed down just enough to remain weakly bound to the sun. Over millions of years, the gravity of passing stars and even the tidal pull of our Milky Way galaxy gradually shaped these scattered objects into the enormous spherical shell we now call the Oort Cloud. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Oort Cloud is that no spacecraft has ever visited it. Even the farthest human-made object, Voyager 1, launched in 1977 and traveling at nearly 17 kilometers per second, has not come close. After almost 50 years of non-stop travel, Voyager 1 is only around 170 AU from the Sun, still thousands of AU away from the inner edge of the cloud. At its current speed, it would take roughly 300 years just to reach the beginning of the cloud, and tens of thousands of years to travel through it. This demonstrates how imaginably vast our solar system truly is. If we cannot see the Oort Cloud directly, how do scientists know it exists? The answer lies in comets. Every so often, a bright comet appears in our skies, traveling on a path that takes thousands or even millions of years to complete. These are known as long-period comets. Their orbits come from every possible direction, not just along the plane where the planets orbit. This random distribution strongly suggests that these comets originate from a giant spherical reservoir surrounding the solar system. Famous comets like Hale-Bopp and Comet Hyakutake are believed to have begun their incredible journeys deep inside the Oort Cloud before being disturbed by the gravity of a passing star or giant molecular cloud. The objects inside the Oort Cloud are incredibly cold.
Temperatures there are estimated to be close to minus 270 degrees Celsius, just a few degrees above absolute zero, the coldest temperature physically possible. At such extreme conditions, almost everything freezes solid. Water becomes rock-hard ice. Methane and ammonia become frozen crystals. Even sunlight becomes incredibly weak. If you stood there, the sun would appear as nothing more than an exceptionally bright star among countless others, barely providing enough light to cast a faint shadow. Scientists divide the Oort cloud into two main regions. The inner Oort cloud, sometimes called the Hills cloud, is believed to contain a dense concentration of icy bodies that continuously replenish the outer region. Surrounding it is the outer Oort cloud, which stretches tens of thousands of astronomical units into space. The outer portion is only weakly held by the sun's gravity, meaning passing stars or the gravitational tides of the Milky Way can easily disturb its objects, sending some of them hurtling toward the inner solar system as spectacular comets. Interestingly, the Oort cloud may not be unique to our solar system. Many astronomers believe that other stars throughout the galaxy could possess their own giant comet clouds. If true, then Oort clouds may be common features surrounding planetary systems across the Milky Way. This means that icy objects wandering through interstellar space could occasionally travel between stars, carrying ancient material from one stellar system to another. Some scientists even speculate that organic molecules necessary for life may have been transported across the galaxy in this way, although this idea remains under active research. The Oort cloud also plays an important role in understanding Earth's history. Throughout millions of years, comets originating from this distant region have occasionally collided with our planet. Some researchers believe these impacts may have delivered significant amounts of water and organic compounds to the young Earth, contributing to the ingredients necessary for life. Others study whether future comet impacts from the Oort cloud could pose threats to humanity, making this mysterious region not only important for astronomy, but also for planetary defense. Perhaps the greatest mystery is that the Oort cloud has never been directly observed. Because its objects are so small, so dark, and so incredibly far away, even our most powerful telescopes cannot image it clearly. Everything scientists know comes from mathematics, computer simulations, and the observed paths of long-period comets. It remains one of the largest invisible structures ever proposed by science, a colossal frontier waiting for future generations to explore. As technology advances, future missions may one day travel far beyond the planets and into this frozen wilderness. Such missions could unlock secrets preserved since the birth of our solar system and reveal clues about how planetary systems formed throughout the universe. Until then, the Oort cloud remains one of astronomy's greatest mysteries, a silent kingdom of ancient ice surrounding our sun at the very edge of our cosmic home. Every comet that suddenly appears in our sky could be carrying a message from this distant frozen frontier, a place untouched for billions of years. The Oort cloud reminds us that even after centuries of exploration, our own solar system still hides enormous mysteries waiting to be discovered. And perhaps, somewhere in that endless darkness, the next great discovery of humanity is already waiting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of our solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible mysteries of the universe.